For lesson 5.5, our objective today is to find the missing number, and our question we were trying to answer is, how can you use a related fact to find a missing number? And we learned that there's several different ways that we can solve problems. There's not just one strategy. We can use pictures, we can use count on, we can use an addition sentence to help us with a subtraction. There's several more that we talked about in class. So for number 1, it says they can use pictures if they need to, but they don't have to. Several of the kids like to just count on. So for number 1, 6 plus something equals 13. They started with 6 and they would count on to get 7. And then once they know the first problem, 6 plus 7 is 13, we use our related facts to help us with the second problem. 13 take away 6 would be 7, the missing part. We're going to do the same thing on number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And at the bottom, the story problem, Sally has 9 toy trucks. She gets 3 more toy trucks. How many toy trucks does she have now? And that's just a simple addition problem. On the back side of the homework, the first problem says, what is the missing number? Again, a strategy they like is counting on. They can count on with their fingers. We can count on with cubes. Some students were starting with 9, and then they would add more cubes till they got to 16, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then they would count up the cubes, and they would be able to get 7 as their answer. On the spiral review, the first problem says which way shows how to make a 10 to solve 14 take away 6. So the first problem, we're taking away 4 to make our 10, and then we're taking away another 2. So it would be 14 take away 4 take away 2. And number 3, what is the sum for 8 plus 0? It would be 8.